Thank you for buying this 15268 stackable storage bins from Fixture Displays. These bins are excellent for storage inside a fridge or outside for a home or business organization. These bins are easily stackable, very good clarity, made from quality PET plastic, and two of those weighs about 1.3 pounds. The length is about 14.5 inches by 4 by 4 roughly. You can just pretty much put anything in it: eggs, fruits, produce, yogurt, and what have you. Come with the very easy to use handles, dishwasher safe, easy to clean, and you can stack them up nicely to save space. Just an excellent item to have around your kitchen. To like us, subscribe, leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Display.